Hello, hi viewers, welcome back to once again my YouTube channel. How are you guys? I hope you all good, you all fine. So guys, welcome to our channel. Today we are diving into the colorful creative world of button craft, those little round pieces we often overlook and transform into amazing art accessories and decor. From home project to wearable design, button are versatile, fun and perfect for all ages. Whether you are crafting beginner or a second DIY aesthetic, this video will spark your imagination and show you the endless possibilities of button craft. So guys, buttons are more than just faster, they come in countless shapes, sizes, colors and materials: plastic, wood, metal, glass and even fabric covered button. With a little creativity, button can become work of art. Button crafting is a wonderful way to repurpose old buttons, reduce waste and create something unique. From decorative wall art to handmade jewelry. So guys, from decorative wall art to handmade jewelry, button allow you to experiment with texture, color and pattern. They are accessible, affordable and perfect for creative exploration. To start your button crafting journey, you will need a few basic tools. Some of the essentials include a collection of buttons in various colors, sizes and materials. Glue a strong like hot glue or craft glue work best. Needle and thread of swing project for cutting fabric or thread. Canvas, cardboard or wood for button art. Optional decorative items like beads, ribbon and sequins. So hope you like my video. Arrange button in pattern shapes or images on a canvas to create wall decor, flowers, hearts, animals or abstract design for beautifully. Make earring, necklaces, bracelets or rings. Glue buttons around photo frame to create a colorful texture border. Attach magnets to the back of button for custom refrigerator decor. Sew button creativity on shirts, jackets or bags for a unique customized look. Choose buttons that complement each other. You can go mix bright colors or create gradients for a stunning visual effect. Stack smaller buttons on large ones or combine different shapes for depth and dimension. Apply glue carefully to avoid mess. A dot in the center usually works better, but for larger button use multiple dots. When sewing button, use strong thread and square knots so they don't come off easily. Combine button with beads, ribbons, fabric or other embellishment to make your craft more dynamic. Before gluing or sewing, arrange buttons on your surface to blend the design. This helps you final look. DIY projects that are perfect for button lovers. So arrange button to create cute animal like cats or butterflies. Use different sizes and colors for eye spots.